Today, it's all about the basics, gaining yoga confidence one basic pose at a time. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. Are you ready to begin your midlife yoga journey? Come on, let's get started. Today's basic pose is downward facing dog, a very common asana or pose that you will see in traditional yoga classes. How does it look when we're doing it without a mat? Just watch me for a moment so that you can see what I do, and then we'll do it together. So coming to your chair and both hands are holding onto the chair, in downward facing dog, you begin to walk back step by step. And as you do, you are bending at the hips and your head is coming between your elbows as best as is possible. A deep bend in your knees, and think about your tailbone reaching for the wall behind you. When we're ready to come out of the pose, we look up at the chair to keep strong and sturdy balance, and we just walk forward. So are you ready to try that with me? Holding on to your chair, inhale, and as we exhale, beginning to walk back, deep bend in the knees, hinging at the hips, your head coming between your elbows. Knees are nice and soft to protect your lower back. Think about your tailbone reaching for the wall behind you. Feel the stretch in your spine, each vertebra separating. Feel the stretch under your arms, in your armpits, all the way up to the chair and your hands. Take one more deep breath here. Now look up at your chair, walking forward. And as you come close to your chair, just come up on your toes, holding on, standing on your toes for a moment and lowering down with your heels. Let's do that again, up on the toes. This is upward facing dog, coming back down. We'll try the whole sequence again. So holding on to the chair, we inhale here, and as we exhale, walking back, deep bend in the knees, hinging at the hips, lowering the head between the arms or wherever you can most comfortably go. Knees are bent. Think about the tailbone reaching for the wall behind you. Spine is long. Arms are long. Just stay here for a moment. If it feels comfortable at any point, you can walk forward and come out of the pose. But if it feels okay, take a deep breath here. Exhale. And one more time, inhale, looking up at your chair, walking forward. And when you come close to your chair, coming up on your toes, maybe your chin lifts a little. An option might be to put an arch in your lower back, just a little back bend. Coming down to your heels, let's try that again. Inhale, coming up on your toes, maybe the chin lifts, maybe a small arch in your back. And exhale and coming down. And let's just move from side to side to release the lower back. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.